Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you want to back up a saved Wi-Fi network or transfer its Wi-Fi profile to another Windows computer, you don't have to configure the network from scratch. In this video, I will show you how to export a saved Wi-Fi profile in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using a simple command prompt command. We will export a specific saved Wi-Fi profile and save it as an XML file in a folder of your choice. You can then keep this file as a backup or use it later to import the same Wi-Fi profile on another Windows PC. So let's get started. First we need to check the Wi-Fi profiles currently saved on your Windows computer. So click the start button and type here cmd or command prompt. Then right click on the command prompt entry and choose here run as administrator. If the user account control prompts, click the yes button. In the command prompt window, type the following command: netsh space wlan space show space profiles, then press enter. Windows will display a list of all the Wi-Fi profiles currently saved on your computer. From the list, find the exact name of the Wi-Fi profile that you want to export. For example, on my computer, the Wi-Fi profile I want to export is Kamlesh 5G. Now we can export this specific Wi-Fi profile. To export this one Wi-Fi profile, you need to type the following: netsh wlan export profile name, and then name the profile. After folder is equal to and the path of the folder. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Windows will export the Wi-Fi profile and save it as an XML file in the C profile folder. In my case, just open it and you can see that exported file is available. If the folder does not exist, you may need to create it first. To create the folder, open File Explorer, go to C drive and create a new folder named profile. Once the profile is complete, you can open the C drive and check this one profile folder. After running the command, you should see an XML file containing the exported Wi-Fi profile. The file name will normally include the Wi-Fi network name. You can now copy this XML file to another computer, keep it as a backup or use it later when you want to import Wi-Fi profile. You can also save the exported profile directly to your desktop. For example, the command would be netsh wlan export profile name is equal to name of the profile space folder is equal to percentage user profile percentage / desktop. After entering this one command, press enter and Windows will save the XML file to your desktop. You can replace Kamlesh 5G with your actual profile name. For example, the general command is netsh wlan export profile name is equal to your Wi-Fi profile name. Folder is equal to path of the folder. Make sure you enter the Wi-Fi profile name exactly as it appears in the list generated by the netsh wlan show profile commands. This one commands. And that's it. This is how you can export a saved Wi-Fi profile in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using the built-in netsh command. The exported XML file can be useful when you want to back up a Wi-Fi profile or transfer the profile to another Windows computer. In my next video, I will show you how to import this exported Wi-Fi profile into Windows 11 and Windows 10. One important thing to remember is that the exported XML file may contain sensitive Wi-Fi security information, so keep the file secure and don't share it with people you don't trust. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.